Good morning, ma'am. This is Mejeo Vincente Gador, Civil Engineering, first year, presenting my video. As I look around my house, I could see many objects with math involved in it. But the most flexible I could find is money. A good example of math in objects around me would be money, since it is a currency. There are multiple ways to use it, and all of them make use of math. When you count up your coins, you are doing addition. There's also a bit of skip counting involved, considering not all money has a value of 1. There are 5 peso and 10 peso, and there are also 20 peso bill coins. When you purchase or lend money, then you subtract. Different types of money have different values, so there is conversion involved, which could either be multiplication or division. There are even more detailed ways to use money, such as when you save. That is when you put aside money to prepare for future investments. Investing is when you use your money in such a way that it should increase, which can be done through entrepreneurship or your other endeavors. Budgeting is a mix, having a little bit of both, of investing and saving, with the goal of trying to balance between not spending too much and not having too little money. There are more detailed ways I could talk about money, but this is just a general idea. Another great example would be cooking. There are many rules and steps to follow when cooking. The process has to be done right. You have to consider the temperature. An example would be medium rare steak. Too cold and the meat does not cook well and has a pinkish color. Too hot, then it becomes well done. You all also have to manage the time frame well. Leave food sizzling for too long and it starts to turn black and char, making it inedible. If you cook it too fast, then it stays undercooked. Cooking makes use of measuring tools to help increase precision. There are cups with different sizes, such as a whole cup, a half cup, a third cup, and a quarter cup. Likewise with spoons, such as the tablespoon. These make it easier to follow a recipe or just to keep track of the amounts. These can also be handy when wanting to double a certain recipe or lessening it depending on your ingredients. I find that money and cooking are the most related to math in my household. Thank you for watching the video.